Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with advice, tips and information that will make your life better and more enjoyable. In this video, we're going to talk about how to overcome anxiety and stress. If you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed out, you're not alone. Many people struggle with anxiety and stress, but the good news is that there are things you can do to manage and reduce these feelings. Just a reminder, if you like what you see, make sure to hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe so you can get our updates when we publish similar videos. Alright, here are 10 tips on how to overcome anxiety and stress. Tip number 1. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing can help calm the body and mind, reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. To practice deep breathing, try taking slow, deep breaths, counting to 4 as you inhale, holding your breath for 4 counts, and then exhaling for 4 counts. Tip number 2. Practice mindfulness. The first tip for overcoming anxiety and stress is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment, without judgment. This can help you stay grounded and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. You can practice mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing, or simply focusing on your senses. Tip number 3. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety by releasing endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Try incorporating activities you enjoy, such as walking, running, or yoga, into your daily routine. Tip number 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for both physical and mental health, and can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and establish a consistent bedtime routine. Tip number 5. Connect with others. Connecting with others is also an important way to manage anxiety and stress. Spending time with friends and family, or joining a support group can help you feel more connected and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Tip number 6. Challenge negative thoughts. Finally, it's important to challenge negative thoughts that contribute to anxiety and stress. When you notice yourself having negative thoughts, question their accuracy and try to reframe them in a more positive way. For example, instead of thinking, "I can't handle this," try to think, "I can handle this, and I'll find a way." Tip number 7. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine and alcohol are stimulants that can increase feelings of stress and anxiety. Limit your consumption of these substances, or try cutting them out of your diet altogether. Tip number 8. Manage your time effectively. Overwhelm and stress can be caused by a feeling of having too much to do. Try creating a to-do list and prioritizing tasks, and make time for activities you enjoy. Tip number 9. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking can increase feelings of stress and anxiety. Instead, focus on one task at a time and take breaks as needed. Tip number 10. Seek professional help. If feelings of stress and anxiety persist, consider seeking the help of a mental health professional. They can help you develop coping strategies and provide support. In conclusion, overcoming anxiety and stress is not easy, but with the right tools and strategies, it's definitely possible. If you remember to follow these 10 tips, you can take control of your stress and anxiety levels and live a happier and healthier life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Take care and see you on the next video.